chafing.
No chafing. Then you want to go to the air compressor.
Air compressor.
Air compressor.
Air compressor. What's that?
Air.
Air compressor. Hose are tight, no release. Air governor.
Well, you'll do the air compressor hoses after. You'll do the air compressor and governor. Air compressor and governor. Mounted properly. No missing nuts and bolts. No visible damage.
I forgot what you said. What this was.
That is the turbo.
Oh, that's the turbo.
Turbo. Turbo hose, ducting, and exhaust.
Ducting and exhaust.
Yeah. Turbo hose.
And this is what?
I wrote it down. I haven't written it down. It is. It's the water something. I need to write it down. I'll get it down.
Yeah.
What you want to say is air compressor hoses and clamps. No visible wear, no cracking, no chafing. No combustibles. That means nothing burning, nothing burnable because the turbo gets real hot. So if something's on there, it'll burn.
Right.
And then you want to go drop down to
The power steering. No, actually, yeah, gearbox, power steering gearbox.
oh, no, water pump. Don't forget the water
Oh,
pump.
the water pump.
Oh, in the fans. In the
Yeah.
Compressor, pulley, and nut, mounted properly.
Yeah.
No visible damage. Compressor belt, no visible wear, no cracks, no frays, no strings. No more than 3/4 inch when you compress it in the middle. Is that what it says? Or no more than 3/4 inch blade decompressed in the middle. And then you gotta see the water pump is inside there, so you really can't see it. Get this bike out and go. Water pump mounted properly. Missing nuts and bolts. Water pump belt. No visible wear, crack, frays, or strings. You go to the fan because if you're going like this, like you said, you go to the fan. The fan mounted properly. No missing blades. No visible damage. Hand belt mounted properly. No visible wear, cracks, frays, or strings. No more than 3/4 inch plate. Compressed in the middle. So we did the belts, the compressor, the fan, and the water. The alternator belt we did on the other side. We did the air compressor hose. The air compressor hose, which is hoses.
How's it going, Dave?
No, they told us to wait for you.